transforming your everyday meal preparation, quick batch baking, and indoor grilling sessions into a streamlined culinary experience without crowding your kitchen counters with single-use gadgets usually means transitioning to an advanced, multifunctional countertop powerhouse. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill TOA-70NAS 1800W 8-in-1 stainless steel redefines versatile kitchen cooking by combining heavy-duty thermal performance, a generous 0.6 cubic foot capacity, and an integrated indoor grilling capability. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its high-velocity air advantage fan system paired with 1,800 watts of raw heating power and a versatile dual-sided griddle plate. Instead of struggling with sluggish countertop ovens that take forever to preheat or separate appliances for searing and air frying, this system circulates ultra-hot air for rapid, uniform crisping while allowing you to pop in a ceramic non-stick plate to achieve authentic grill marks on steaks, burgers, and vegetables right indoors. Performance and everyday versatility streamline busy weeknight dinners, quick after-school snacks, and weekend breakfasts. Outfitted with an expansive 0.6 cubic foot interior that easily handles up to 3 pounds of food for air frying, toast for up to 6 slices of bread, or a 12-inch pizza, the unit processes family-sized portions with ease. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by 8 distinct cooking functions: air fry, convection bake, convection broil, bake, broil, warm, toast, and grill, an adjustable temperature control up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, a dedicated 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, a precision toast shade selector, an interior oven light for monitoring progress, and an easy clean non-stick interior. Things to consider before you buy countertop footprint. Because it combines a spacious horizontal interior layout with robust 1800-watt heating components and multi-tier rack options, it requires a dedicated amount of permanent counter space and proper clearance from upper cabinets. Indoor smoke management. While the integrated grill plate delivers incredible char and sears proteins brilliantly, high-heat indoor grilling of fatty cuts of meat can naturally produce smoke, making proper kitchen ventilation or range hood operation helpful during heavy searing sessions. So, who is this really for? This 8-in-1 air fryer toaster oven is an absolute home run for home cooks, families, and apartment dwellers who want to completely replace their traditional toaster, convection oven, dedicated air fryer, and indoor tabletop grill with a single, high-performance stainless steel appliance. If you're looking for an ultra-compact single-serve snack oven or a massive 25-quart French door unit for hosting large holiday feasts, a different capacity tier will better match your kitchen scale. Is it worth the money? If you value an 1800-watt commercial-grade heating system, 8 versatile cooking presets including a unique indoor griddle plate, a generous 3-pound air fry capacity, precise temperature controls, and rugged stainless steel construction backed by a 3-year warranty, it is a premier, highly dependable investment for upgrading your daily cooking routine.